Rich Relationship Refuge, and I am making this video for new YouTubers who are just starting out. This is basically how to use your Google Analytics. Why is it important to know? It's because it's how you can keep track of how your growth and who your audience is. So the first thing, you're going to go to your page, you're going to click on the video that says YouTube Studio. You're going to click on that, and then it's going to take you here. This is your channel's analytics. It's going to show you your most recent video, and it's going to tell you on this, it says your latest video short. And it's going to show you all the numbers, is how your videos are doing. This is going to give you more options to see more information. This shows you how many, this is our latest achievement. We've reached 1,000 watch hours. This is going to tell you your channel subscribers. So this shows you how many subscribers you have in your community. And it also shows you your latest posts. If you're not using the community posts, I'll show you how to do that too, but please use that. But it's going to show you down here, it's going to show you your recent subscribers. This is how you kind of get an idea of who your community is. So you can look at your recent subscribers, and it's going to show you their name and their YouTube channel. I recommend that you pay attention to this because you'll get to see not only who they are, but who they're watching. So check out your recent subscribers. This is your latest posts, your latest comments. Always make sure that you're responding to the comments in the comment section. You don't want to ignore this. This is how people will know how responsive you are. Then you're going to go over here. You're going to click on Analytics. And it's going to break it down a little bit further. It's going to show you your channel got 91,626 views in the last 28 days. So this is going to show you how many views you got in the last 28 days. If you click over here, it's going to show you in the last 28 days, the last 90 days. I always like to see for the last 365. So this shows you how many views your channel has received for this past year, which is 137,162. This is in the last year, in the overall view of your channel. This is important. This is how you can keep track. vidIQ does this, but they're not as up to date as YouTube. vidIQ is nice, but YouTube is the most accurate way. And you want to learn how to use YouTube because YouTube is where you're going to get the most information about your community. So it shows you your latest videos, shows you your top rated videos and how they're doing. It shows you, like for us, we have a YouTube channel and a podcast. So it shows you your podcast updates. It shows you your latest comments. Again, always make sure you're responding to the comments. And then after that, let's say you want to get to know a little bit more about who your community is. The first thing is to remember that you're not going to have a lot of analytics in the beginning. In the beginning, you're just going to be creating content based on what you've chosen your topic to be. So this shows you your overview, your content, your audience. This is a very important part. You click on this and it shows you who your audience is. It shows you basically which videos they're watching. It shows you the channels that they're watching. This shows you the channels that the people who are watching you and what they're watching. That's another way to get an idea of what will be good content create. This also shows you when your audience is on YouTube. So this shows you on Sundays, all throughout the week. The dark purple is when they're the most, when your community is on YouTube the most. So if my community is on YouTube at 5, I'm not going to do really well if I post a video at 5 a.m. I need to post my videos when my community is on YouTube. This also shows you the format of your videos. So it's videos, shorts, and it shows you the likes. This shows you watch time for subscribers. This down here, it even shows you their age. It shows you if it's female, if it's male. It shows you the age group. Our biggest age group is between the ages of 55 and 64. And then the second one would be between 45 and 54. Our next group of people would be the age 35 and 44. And then the next group will be, so the largest number is your biggest part of your audience. So this breaks down. So we're kind of fortunate that we have a variety of people in our age group, but you're going to make the content for the biggest group, which is the 55 to 54. But when it comes to shorts, the most of the people watching shorts are young people. This shows you where the demographics. So 73% of our audience is in the United States. 2% the United Kingdom, Canada, South Africa, India. And if you want to see a more broken down detail of that, it shows you all the way to what city. So if you go to the United States, it is going to show you over here. Let's go to the United States. So in the United States, it's going to show you where the most of your viewers are. And I love this because you can kind of get a better idea of where your people are watching you. Where's your biggest audience at? And for us, our biggest audience is in Texas. Then it would be California, Florida, New York, Georgia, North Carolina, Illinois, Maryland. And just go down the list and it shows you the biggest part of your community support. And so you can, if you want to do a shout out, hey, our biggest part of our community is in Texas. You can do a shout out on one of your shorts, thanking people from that state for watching your content. It shows you the cities that they're watching from. It shows you the age, the gender, the date, the subscription status. So these are all really important. It seems overwhelming, but in the beginning, the most important part is just creating content. But I wanted to show you all the back end of YouTube so that you could have a better idea of why you need to know this, because this is how you keep track. Because if you're just starting out, it's going to take for you to get to at least about 100 videos before you can even begin to have any analytics. So don't worry about the analytics in the beginning, but you can always still pay attention to, as far as where your people are coming. You can pay attention to your content. It shows you this. This is what you can pay attention to. It shows you how much of your videos are being viewed. And the way that you decide which videos you're going to make more videos, like whichever videos are getting the most views, like this video right here, it got 27,444 views. So I'm going to look at this video and I'm going to create more videos like this video. This one video got us 79 subscribers. So you don't pick a video that's not doing well and duplicate it. You look at your videos that are doing well and you duplicate more content like that.
Who's interested first?
Our community likes short and sweet.
Who said I love you
So
first?
you need to find out what your community likes
Who's more
and make more
protected?
content like that. I hope that this helps you.
cleans more?
We love you. You are more than enough.
eats the-
Remember to create more and consume less. Love you guys. Bye.